the digital revolution has actually transformed, and it has transformed not only the marketplace but even the consumer also today. So when we speak the global consumer or new age consumer, it's like this is a consumer who is aware of what the global trends are, how things are happening in this new age, and he's very well informed. When I talk about very well informed, he knows everything whatsoever is happening around his space. Also, this consumer has got a lot of options. So this is what I have to say, especially from a new age consumer perspective. When I talk from a new age marketer perspective, it's like as a brand, as a marketer, we have to really look onto that. What are the consumer touch points? Where exactly this consumer is, how this consumer is actually behaving, in what lines this consumer is actually moving, and we really need to keep a tap of this consumer. As a marketer, we know that okay, this consumer has got options, this consumer has got choices. So as a marketer, we also need to give a lot of choices and options to the consumer. So the choices can be in terms of product. The choices can be in terms of even the payments. It's like today there's a lot of use of plastic money which is there. There's a lot of use of I would say 0% finance or installments. So you actually need to move along with the consumer. So you need to understand his demands, and accordingly you have to act.